In this video we are going to learn how you can lock your Facebook account. So it's a very easy and simple process. To learn it, watch the video till the very end. So first of all you need to do is just open a browser from your mobile, and after that you have to type mbasic Facebook. Type it here and then open the first link, and now you have to log in your Facebook account by typing your Gmail address and password, then tap on login. And after that you will get an interface like that, and from here you have to zoom in, and at the top you will see an option called profile. Tap on here, and now zoom in again, and here you will get lock profile option. So tap on here, lock profile, and then tap on lock your profile again, and now wait a while, and as you can see that my Facebook profile has been locked. It says you logged your profile. So now I'm gonna prove it. So open your Facebook app and go to your profile and reload this page, and as you can see that you have logged your profile. So following this simple process you can also lock your Facebook profile. I hope you understand the full process. If you think this video is useful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel.